so we're at Ragan Chapel United Methodist Church, and this was the sanctuary. Is that curtain there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, now, and this is the kitchen area?
This is the kitchen.
Okay, and so...
All of our appliances are still in.
Yeah. Chairs and still in place. If you come back through this hallway, this is where the caretaker of the church was during the storm, in this closet area. Right.
It was a mess. You can't get in it now.
In this closet area right here. And he said all he could see was this open area and didn't realize until he got out that the rest of the church was gone. He lived in this house back here.
These were Sunday school
These were
rooms.
Sunday school rooms.
One of our bathrooms made it through fine. And we were having a yard sale drive. And that's why we've got so much stuff when we're doing our yard sale.
In this bathroom.
This bathroom pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
And this one's not so good.